Hello, everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to create and track email campaigns in HubSpot. The ability to create and track email campaigns is essential for anyone delving into email marketing. By mastering HubSpot's tools, you can manage campaigns more effectively, ensuring that your marketing efforts reach the right audience with the right message. In this tutorial, we will take you through each step of the process, making it simple and easy to grasp. First, let's get started by logging into your HubSpot account. If you haven't yet signed up, no worries. Simply visit the official HubSpot website and create your account there. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu and find the Marketing tab. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Campaigns. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll find the tools you need for your email marketing campaigns neatly organized. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There's a button that says Create Campaign. Clicking on this button will open a window where you can start setting up all the details of your campaign. Here you'll need to input a campaign name and select a color to help you easily identify it later on. Additionally, you might want to choose a brand if applicable. Assigning an owner to your campaign is crucial, as it ensures accountability. Also, don't forget to set a start date. Having these details ready beforehand will make your setup process much smoother. Once you've completed these initial steps, it's time to add some assets or content to your campaign. Click on Actions and select Add Assets or Content. This is an important step because you can associate various elements like emails, landing pages, blog posts, and other relevant materials with your campaign. By doing this, you ensure everything is neatly organized and aligned with your campaign's objectives. Speaking of objectives, under the Actions menu, you'll find an option to edit goals. This feature allows you to define specific objectives for your campaign, whether it's tracking clicks, conversions, or any other key metrics. Setting clear goals is essential, as it helps you evaluate your campaign's success and make necessary adjustments along the way. Tracking is fundamental to understanding how well your efforts are paying off. Under the Actions menu, you also have the option to create a tracking URL. Use this feature to generate unique URLs that will allow you to monitor your campaign's performance across different channels. Having this tracking in place is crucial for gathering insights and refining your strategy as needed. If you have existing assets that you want to include in your campaign, HubSpot makes it incredibly easy. Just search for them within your account and select the checkboxes to associate them with your current campaign. This flexibility allows you to continue leveraging assets that have already been optimized for your audience, ensuring consistency and efficiency. And there you have it. You're now ready to create and track your email campaigns in HubSpot. Remember, a well-organized campaign is not merely about sending emails. It's about measuring success and adjusting strategies as necessary. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering email marketing with HubSpot. Feel free to pause, rewind, or rewatch any sections of this video to ensure you've got it all down. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to create and track email campaigns in HubSpot. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.